So I want to do a review, follow up to the Carter guides. I had done one on what was in the kit, and I think it was included installation, which I found to be very easy and set up. But overall, I would say I'm extremely happy with the guides. I've cut, numerous bowl blanks, and I don't cut them in circles. I just try to cut them in stop signs. Here I've roughed it out with the chainsaw, and I'm going to true it up so it fits in my 16-inch lathe here in a minute. But overall, I haven't had any band saw blades break anymore compared to the Laguna guides it came with, and I've cut a lot of bowl blanks on it now, and I probably would have lost two blades with the Laguna guides at this time. So if anybody's considering, if you've got a Laguna 14BX and you're considering whether or not it's worth it for bowl blanks, I would say I've really enjoyed it, and it's been worth the investment just in saving of the snapped blades. And I feel like it does a better job cutting or keeping the blade true regardless.